Hi, I'm Raymond, and today I'm going to talk about or share my experience regarding these shoes, the X-Step 2000 kilometer 3.0 version. They are marketing this as a long-lasting and very durable daily trainers. So, if you are someone that is looking to get new pair of shoes as your daily trainers, or you are interested in getting this specific shoe model from Xstep, then you can stick around till the end of this video to find out what are the things that I like and the things that I do not like with these shoes. By the way, sorry kung medyo marumi yung sapatos kasi I've been using this for quite a while na. Literal na pinang-araw-araw ko siyang patakbo. So before using that, I was using this Anta shoes. I got this for around 4,700 pesos sa Anta physical store. So okay pa naman siya. This is using Anta Nitro Edge midsole. The outsole medyo napudpud na kasi literal na pinang-aaraw ko siya, pinantatakbo ko all types of runs at saka pinangtatrabaho ko din. Okay pa naman, medyo kakalaba ko lang, and I really like the shoes. Okay naman yung feel niya. Kaso naganap ako ng parang makakapalitan niya para hindi siya masira agad. So I got this X-Step 2000 kilometer 3.0. Now, nabili ko to sa X-Step live sa TikTok. Nasa around 2,400. Parang yung regular price niya is 2,700 pesos. Pero that time, meron silang promotion or may voucher. So, naging 2,400 na lang siya. This shoes is promising 2,000 kilometer mileage. Now, I would just like to give a quick disclaimer. Hindi ako expert and baguhan lang ako sa running. I've been running for more than a year na, and hindi pa ako ganun kabilis. So, hindi ako ganun ka-knowledgeable when it comes to the specifics of a running shoes. But since nagamit ko na to, I will share my thoughts about these shoes. So, on paper or the specs of these shoes, yung upper part niya, yung upper material niya, I wasn't able to get further information with this upper material. Pero what I can say about this is very breathable siya, and mukhang matibay talaga yung tela, or parang synthetic siya na tela. Yung X na logo is somewhat maangas. So initially, I ordered the laser red colorway because kasi kulay red talaga siya dun sa live. Pero when it arrived, nung nakita ko na talaga siya, pinkish talaga yung kulay niya. And at first parang medyo na turn off ako kasi parang red niya kasi talaga yung trip ko. Pero nung ginamit ko na, ang angas niya pala tignan. So okay na din. And anyway, yung insoles niya, pinalitan ko ng sa Anta. Ito yung actual insole ng X-Step. Maganda. This insoles, okay naman siya eh. Magaan and malambot. However, kapag ang ginagamit kong medyas is yung mumurahing medyas sa TikTok or sa Shopee, yung mga below 100 pesos, medyo madulas yung feeling. And also, what I don't like about this shoes is yung dila niya. Medyo nakakabaan ako. Nasanay kasi ako sa dila nito na yan, hindi naman masyado mahaba. Pero minor lang naman. Hindi naman ganun ka-big deal sa akin. I would like to also talk about the sizing of the shoes. I ordered 8.5 US and my actual foot size is 8 US. So whenever I buy shoes, lagi akong nag-aalat ng allowance. So ang pinaka-safe na size na in-order ko is 8.5 US for allowance. And ganoon din yung in-order ko, 8.5 sa X-Step. Kaso nung dumating siya, nung sinukat ko na, parang ang laki niya compared sa 8.5 ng Anta. More than what I need yung allowance na meron siya. Which is at first, parang hindi naman siya uncomfortable. Kasi yung fitting niya, yung mayakap siya dito and then dito sa part na to. Pero when it comes dito, mararamdaman mo na roomy, may gagalaw mo freely yung toes mo. At saka, now the good thing about that is when you run, habang tumatagal, nag-expand yung paa natin. So that's a good thing na roomy yung toe box kasi hindi ka parang mamatayan ng kuko. Nung una medyo off pero nasanay din ako eh. Now, I would like to also talk about the outsole. Sorry kung madumi. So 25 kilometers and then nag-run ako today ng 10. So nakakabot na ito ng 35 kilometer mileage total. And so far, buo-buo pa yung X markings niya. Which is good. And kapag nahawakan mo na yung rubber outsole niya, talagang mararamdaman mo na hindi siya mabilis na mapudpud at talagang maganda yung traction niya. So hindi ko madudulas, which is very safe. Now, I would like to also highlight the importance of a good outsole because yung first running shoes ko, which is an Anta running shoes, it's very good, very comfortable, cushioned. Kaso hindi ko na siya nagagamit ngayon kasi yung ditong part niya lang yung merong rubber outsole, dito wala. So straight up, ditong part straight up ano na lang siya, midsole. So ang nangyari, napudpud siya. So whenever makaapak ako sa basang parte ng kalsada or malumot, nadudulas ako, which is very unsafe. That's why I stopped using it. So kapag bibili ako ng bagong sapatos, I always make sure na maganda yung outsole niya, maganda yung coverage. Now, I would like to talk about also midsole. Gustong gusto ko yung midsole niya. Ang tawag nila sa midsole na to is X-Step Ace. Very responsive midsole. It will give you enough rebound And also, hindi siya carbon plated or nylon plated, pero may TPU plate siya, which is I think plastic. Kita dito, and then dito, and parang wing type siya, and that is for stability. And talagang ramdam ko na stable siya. Actually, mas stable pa siya sa anta ko. There are times na feeling ko parang matatapilok ako. Pero with these shoes, never ko naman na feel na unsafe ako wearing this. So, it's very good. So, based on my experience, nung na-receive ko yung shoes, of course, ginamit ko agad. Then, I did a 3 kilometer easy run. Hindi ko pa na-feel yung yung lambot ng midsole niya. So parang it took me about 10 kilometers para ma-break in yung midsole. And it was good naman. So actually I used it earlier today, and that's the time na parang na-confirm ko or talagang nag-break in na yung sapatos, kasi ramdam ko na yung lambot ng midsole niya, pero hindi ganun kalambot. Feel na feel ko pa rin yung responsiveness. Now, if you ordered these shoes and you've already received it and will try to run using it for the first time, I highly suggest for you to not go hard agad, or wag mo bibilisan agad, kasi stiff pa yung feeling ng midsole niya. So I highly suggest for you to run easy with this. So maybe do light jog lang sa una, para lang safe yung paa mo or yung binti mo. This is really value for money, kasi parang sa price na to na around 2,400, if you're going to do if you're going to buy brands like Nike, On Cloud, or Adidas, sa price na around 2,400 or 2,500, parang yung parang mga basic na shoes lang ang makukuha mo. So the idea of Chinese brands, lalo na sa running shoes, sobrang na-hype sila. I think it's a very good option, para meron tayong cheaper option to get this type of shoes. Hindi siya ganun kamahal. Masira man, okay lang, kasi hindi naman siya ganun kamahal. Hindi mo ganun kapanghihinayangan. Pero tiwala ka na matibay siya eh. Like, pwede mo siyang literal na gamitin pang araw-araw. And I'm planning to use this sa pagpasok sa trabaho, para talagang mahinog yung niya eh, yung midsole niya. So that's about it for me. I highly suggest for you to get the shoes, to include this on your shoe rotation, para may kapalitan yung mga sapatos nyo. Okay to pang harabas. So that's it for me. Thank you and have a great day.